Hi guys, this is Test and Comparison here, and with another video. This is Samsung Galaxy Note 8 versus Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. The both devices side by side, extreme gaming test. I want to do this test because currently Galaxy S9 in the market is a bit expensive, but Galaxy Note 8 is a bit old device. You can find many cheaper options, second hand, used with a couple of $100 cheaper in the market, but the both devices almost the same hardware, not much big difference. And the speed test also a lot of people do on the YouTube, and they find out it's slightly different, not much different. So I want to do the extreme gaming test to find out on the both devices, because the only heavy game test can tell about the RAM usage, processor, and the battery, and all that kind of stress. We can give maximum to the hardware of any kind of mobile. It can show how the mobile perform. So what I was thinking, if you're going to buy, especially some people, they are tight in budget, they can buy the new one, and I think no need to buy the new one, all the devices, because every 6 months and every year the new devices come. The company is doing the more business, so why not we become foolish with this kind of thing. But mostly many people, they don't do the extreme gaming test. So that's the reason I was thinking, if you want to buy the new device Galaxy S9, and if you have a tight budget, you still can use Galaxy Note 8. I think the Galaxy Note 8 still a better choice, and you can save couple of $100 compared to you buy Galaxy S9 Plus, and it's almost the same, but you have to pay more. So why not we do some test, and we will find out, is it really we need Galaxy S9 Plus, or Galaxy Note 8 still valuable and worth it to buy it. And especially for most of the people, they can't afford it. So I think Galaxy Note 8 still the best choice. Almost the same thing, the camera, RAM, processor slightly faster, but you still can save few $100s. So I'm going to do some tests, and I want to see, and let's see together what is the difference. Is it the big difference, or it's just slightly different that we can accept still Samsung Galaxy Note 8 in 2018. And I hope you like the video. So let's start. So guys, here's the both devices side by side. This is Galaxy S9 Plus, as you can see, and here is a Galaxy Note 8. Okay, so both devices here. I want to show you the version. Both are international version. Here, right here, about phone, and this is Galaxy Note N50F, and here is a Samsung SMG9. These are the version. Both are international version. So let's start some gaming. I want to show you first. Internet is connected. There's all applications are closed here. So what I do is start together some games here. 1, 2, 3. Note S9 Plus. Okay, I want to go back at the same time. 1, 2, 3. I just want to show, this is not a speed test, but I just want to continue here. So I want to play, this is a games, okay, for example, at the same time the game will run. Okay. Okay, this game I'm going to close here, right here. Now I'm going again to the games, and what I'm going to do, start as FAT 8. No, it's not here. So I 1 2 3 here. Here's Galaxy S9 Plus Note 8. Here I'm not going to show you only the speed because there's a lot of videos on for the speed currently. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to close it here. Now you can see 2 games are running here, exactly 2 games. So close it, and I'm going to start one more game. For example, this here. Note 8 Galaxy S9 Plus. Okay. This is online games, that's why every time they have to download some kind of data. It not start like a Temple Run or like other games. So both are running. So this is high graphic games actually. So I want to see now, there's the background is 3 big games running currently like this, as you can see here, and then number 2 here, and then number 3 is right here. So these 3 games are running at the same time, and then I want to open it one more game here, Final Fantasy Pocket Mode. It will ask for same. One, two, three. S9 Note 8, and I think Note 8 is performing very well, almost the same, not much. These are heavy games. And you can see almost the same performance on the both device. Very slightly difference, S9 is slightly faster, but it's not much difference compared to few $100s. Big screen, nice screen, almost the same hardware. Start new game. 1 2 3. Same time. Required download data. No. if it will not start. So anyway, and here I want to show you the download speed in the both devices also slightly different. I click on the same time, but here is 19 MB, 22 MB, 23. You can see the difference. The Galaxy S9 Plus, the Wi-Fi speed, data speed, internet connection speed is much faster, much look like a boost in the same connection. My both devices connect in the same network. But if you see here, the speed is much faster and it's getting more and more faster and it's getting behind. So it's not only the RAM and processor, but the internet speed is still much faster. You can see it's download more faster way and start another file, but this one is still taking slightly time and it will start again. Yeah, so you can see the difference. It start almost the same time, but now the difference you can see yourself. It takes more internet, faster speed, more take internet compared to this one. Still good, but if we don't have Galaxy S9 Plus, we think 8 is the best, of course. But still, I want to say you, this is not a much. If you can save $200 to $300, this is not worth it. That speed slightly, it's nothing. So anyway, there's difference. You can see how much it's more than 20 MB faster, and here is still downloading. So now you can see the difference is big difference already. Still continuously I just pause the video, but you can see it's become 85 MB left, 85 MB, but this is still 121 MB. So here the difference is the more time, the more 73 MB, 85. Let's quickly jump here to 85. Now you can see the slightly difference left. And here is 73 and 73. So Galaxy Note 8 is really catching the Galaxy S9 Plus. It's amazingly, you can see the both is 73 and 73, both devices. So the all games are here now in the cache. Let's start one by one. One here, it's working. Number 2. Number 3 is here. So let's see the memory, how many memory they are using now currently in the both devices. Here's the device. See the memory. So here you can see the both side have 4 games. This is a Samsung devices, and here you can see there is both devices, same RAM. But if you see here, Galaxy S9 Plus using 3.5 GB and 3.8 GB with Galaxy Note 8. And I'm going to clean the both device. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So you can see now So both devices here exactly the same. So I don't find much difference. So I don't find that much difference that I can say you have to buy Galaxy S9 Plus. I think the Note 8 still worth it. Still up to you guys. So here's the both devices. If you see, I clear all the items and now I'm going to the RAM and I want to check the RAM. How is the RAM? Is maintenance storage here, and here is the memory, and you can see the both is exactly, I'm going to clean and it's going to clean, but you can see the memory in the both devices the same. The both devices 6 GB is exactly the same RAM right here. You can see Note 8 1.8 GB, and here is the. So guys, the conclusion is I think the both devices are working very good. There's not much difference, but I think if you still have low budget, you can get it for Galaxy Note 8. But if you can buy it Galaxy S9 Plus, I think that's well too. But if you can save for a few $100, I think I will recommend Galaxy Note 8 is still the best choice. I hope you like the video. It will helpful for you, and don't forget to thumbs up, and see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.